Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to practice PPE vocabulary. PPE means personal protective equipment. These are items workers wear to stay safe at work. Look at the pictures and use the word bank to guess the correct name of each item. Pause the video when you need more time. Let's start with the first 4 pictures. Number 1, this is a mask that covers the nose and mouth. Number 2, this respirator has filters on the sides. Number 3, this protects the face from splashes, sparks, or flying particles. Number 4, this protects the face and eyes during welding. Pause the video and write your answers now. It's time to check your answers. Number 1.
Disposable respirator.
Number 2.
Air-purifying respirator.
Number 3.
Face shield.
Number 4.
Welding helmet.
Now let's look at the next group. Number 1. This protects the head. Number 2. These protect the feet. Number 3. This helps workers be seen. Number 4. This protects clothing and skin. Pause the video and write your answers now. It's time to check your answers. Number 1.
Hard hat or safety helmet.
Number 2.
Safety boots.
Number 3.
High visibility vest.
Number 4.
Protective coveralls.
Now let's look at the next group. Number 1. These protect the eyes from chemicals or splashes. Number 2. These protect the eyes from impact or flying particles. Number 3. These go inside the ears and are connected by a cord. Number 4. These cover the ears and protect hearing. Pause the video and write your answers now. It's time to check your answers. Number 1.
Safety goggles.
Number 2.
Safety glasses.
Number 3.
Corded earplugs.
Number 4.
Earmuffs.
Here is the final group. Number 1. These gloves protect hands from sharp tools or blades. Number 2. This protects a worker from falling from a high place. Number 3. This helps keep a person safe in water. Number 4. This is used to help rescue someone in water. Pause the video and write your answers now. It's time to check your answers. Number 1.
Cut-resistant gloves.
Number 2.
Fall protection harness.
Number 3.
Life jacket.
Number 4.
Ring life buoy.
This is it. Great job! You practiced 16 common PPE words used in workplace safety. You can find a worksheet with additional exercises on our website. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching.